A DEWALT 12-inch miter saw and stand just dropped from nearly $900 to under $600, and that is only the beginning. We found 31 early Lowe's Labor Day tool deals worth seeing before stock changes. Let's count them down. Check the video description for all deal links. Lowe's drills, drivers, impact wrenches, and fastening tool deals. Number 31. DEWALT XR 20V Max Brushless Half-Inch High Torque Impact Wrench, DCF 961B. Was $399, now $299, 25% off. When seized lugs and heavy hardware fight back, this XR impact wrench brings up to 1,750 foot-pounds of breakaway torque. 3 speed settings and precision wrench mode give you better control around expensive fasteners. It is basically the diplomatic solution after polite persuasion fails. Number 30. CRAFTSMAN V20 Brushless RP SDS Plus Cordless Rotary Hammer Drill. Was $219, now $99, 55% off. Concrete and masonry are where this brushless rotary hammer earns its keep, delivering 2.0 joules of impact energy in a compact body. Its balanced design helps on longer drilling sessions and tight spaces. Walls can be stubborn, this tool is more stubborn. Number 29. Kobalt 24V Brushless Half-Inch Mid-Torque Impact Wrench Kit. Was $229, now $149, 35% off. Garage jobs get much easier with up to 650 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque and 3 selectable power settings. Hand, tight, and auto slow modes help control loose fasteners, while the kit includes a battery, fast charger, and bag. Your breaker bar may start feeling slightly unemployed. Number 28. DEWALT Extreme 12V Max Brushless Half-Inch Impact Wrench, DCF 901B. Was $169, now $99, 41% off. Tight engine bays are exactly where this compact 12-inch impact wrench makes sense. It delivers strong breakaway torque, adds a bright LED ring, and uses a chemical-resistant housing for garage duty. Just remember it is tool only, so bring your own battery to the party. Number 27. Metabo HPT Triple Hammer 18V Brushless 1/4-inch Impact Driver Kit. Was $199, now $139, 30% off. Small size does not mean timid performance here, with up to 1,859 inch-pounds of torque and triple hammer technology. 5 speed modes, triple LEDs, and an IP56 rated body make it flexible in demanding conditions. It's the pocket-sized overachiever of this lineup. Number 26. Kobalt 8-amp half-inch corded impact wrench. Was $179, now $99, 45% off. For anyone who prefers endless runtime, this corded Kobalt impact wrench keeps pulling without a battery break. It includes deep well sockets, a carrying case, and a rugged cast aluminum gearbox. The cord may follow you around, but at least it never asks for a charger. Number 25. DEWALT Extreme 12V Max Brushless 3/8-inch Cordless Ratchet, DCF 503B. Was $199, now $99, 50% off. Under dashboards and around cramped engine components, this low-profile cordless ratchet can save a lot of knuckle scraping. It provides up to 60 foot-pounds of torque, variable speed, and an LED work light. Your hands may finally stop volunteering as impact absorbers. Number 24. CRAFTSMAN V20 Brushless Half-Inch Cordless Drill Kit. Was $129, now $79, 39% off. Everyday drilling gets a useful upgrade with this compact brushless V20 kit and its short head design. The included battery and charger make it ready for furniture, shelving, repairs, and weekend projects. Perfect for jobs that begin with, "This should only take 5 minutes." Number 23. CRAFTSMAN V20 Brushless 1/4-inch Cordless Impact Driver Kit. Was $129, now $79, 39% off. Deck screws and general fastening are the sweet spot for this compact brushless impact driver. Its short head reaches tighter spaces, while the LED and improved runtime help keep longer projects moving. Regular screwdrivers can still stay around for emotional support. Number 22. Kobalt 24V Brushless Half-Inch Cordless Hammer Drill. Was $149, now $99, 34% off. From wood to masonry, this 24V brushless hammer drill covers a wide range of drilling and fastening work. 3 operating modes, a metal ratcheting chuck, and 24 clutch positions add useful control. It is a solid choice once your project graduates from one innocent little hole. Number 21. DEWALT XR 20V Max Brushless Drywall Screw Gun DCF 630B was $199, now $149, 25% off. Drywall crews will appreciate the 4 operating modes, adjustable nose cone, and lightweight design of this XR screw gun. The controls are easy to reach, and the LED helps when rooms are not fully lit yet. Fewer depth mistakes means less time staring suspiciously at crooked screw heads. Number 20. Kobalt 9A half-inch keyed corded drill was $119, now $79, 34% off. Heavy drilling is where this 9A corded Kobalt makes the most sense, especially when steady power matters more than portability. Its metal keyed chuck and auxiliary handle provide secure bit retention and extra leverage. Sometimes the old-school answer is simply more torque and a long cord. Number 19. Dremel Blueprint 12V Brushless Cordless Multi-Drill was $99, now $79, 20% off. Picture-hanging projects become less chaotic with this compact Dremel combining a drill, stud finder, line laser, level, and LED. Onboard bit storage keeps the essentials close instead of scattered across the room. It cannot hang the shelf for you, but it removes several popular excuses. Lowe's saws, cutting tools, and carpentry equipment deals. Number 18. DEWALT 10-inch 15-amp job site table saw with rolling stand was $699, now $599, 14% off. Large rip cuts are easier to manage with this 10-inch DEWALT table saw, its rack and pinion fence, and generous cutting capacity. The rolling stand simplifies transport and setup, while onboard storage keeps accessories nearby. That means less time searching for the push stick you just had. Number 17. DEWALT 12-inch 15-amp dual bevel sliding compound miter saw with adjustable stand was $898, now $599, 33% off. Trim, framing, and crown molding all fit comfortably within this 12-inch sliding miter saw's broad cutting range. Dual bevel movement, the XPS cut line system, tall fences, and an adjustable stand make precise setups easier. Measuring twice still helps, blaming the trim gets harder. Number 16. DEWALT 20V Max XR 12-inch cordless dual bevel sliding miter saw kit was $1062.98, now $857.98, 19% off. Big cordless cutting jobs are the target for this XR miter saw kit, which includes high-capacity batteries and extra carbide blades. Regenerative braking helps recover energy, while the bevel gear transmission is designed to reduce power loss. Extension cords just lost another argument. Number 15. DEWALT 12-inch 20V Max dual bevel sliding compound cordless miter saw DCS 785B was $699, now $499, 29% off. Freedom from outlets is the main appeal of this 12-inch cordless sliding miter saw. It supports multiple DEWALT 20V battery types and uses regenerative braking to help stretch runtime. For job sites with one outlet 3 rooms away, that alone can feel luxurious. Number 14. CRAFTSMAN V20 miter saw and 23-gauge cordless pin nailer bundle was $548, now $378, 31% off. Finish Carpentry gets a convenient 2-tool pairing here: a sliding miter saw for clean cuts and a cordless pin nailer for fastening. The saw adds an LED cut line and useful cross-cut capacity for trim work. Fewer tool runs means more time pretending the project was always this organized. Number 13. CRAFTSMAN V20 7 1/4-inch cordless sliding compound miter saw was $329, now $199, 40% off. Baseboards, trim, and dimensional lumber are all within reach of this compact V20 sliding miter saw. 9 miter detents and an LED cut line system help make repeatable cuts, while the included battery keeps it portable. Close enough gets much less convincing around finished trim. Number 12. Kobalt 24V XTR brushless circular saw starter kit was $248, now $169, 32% off. Demanding cordless cuts are what the Kobalt XTR starter kit is built around, with high blade speed and a deep cutting capacity. An electric brake, LED light, and wide bevel range add control for framing and general carpentry. Lumber stacks tend to look friendlier when this comes out. Number 11. Kobalt 24-volt 6½ inch brushless cordless circular saw. Was $129, now $99, 23% off. Clear sightlines make this left-blade Kobalt circular saw especially handy for framing and finish work. Quick depth adjustment, an electric brake, LED lighting, and a lightweight aluminum build keep it manageable throughout the day. Straight cuts still require skill, but at least the cord cannot sabotage you. Number 10. DEWALT Extreme 12-volt Max 5 3/8-inch brushless cordless circular saw, DCS 512B. Was $169, now $99, 41% off. Compact jobs call for compact saws, and this 12-volt DEWALT keeps weight down without giving up useful cutting depth. Tool-free bevel adjustment, an electric brake, and a rafter hook make it convenient on ladders or tight work areas. Full-size saw energy without the full-size saw drama. Number 9. CRAFTSMAN V20 RP 4 1/2-inch brushless cordless circular saw. Was $189, now $119, 37% off. Overhead cuts and awkward spaces suit this lightweight CRAFTSMAN brushless circular saw nicely. It handles common 2x material and includes a rip fence, dust port, auxiliary handle, and electronic brake. Your larger saw can stay on the bench and enjoy a rare moment of rest. Number 8. DEWALT Extreme 12-volt Max brushless cordless reciprocating saw, DCS 312B. Was $169, now $99, 41% off. Demolition and quick rough cuts become easier with this one-handed DEWALT reciprocating saw. Its brushless motor, variable speed trigger, LED, and tool-free blade release are especially useful in cramped spaces. It's a tidy little solution for jobs whose official plan is simply remove that. Number 7. CRAFTSMAN V20 brushless cordless reciprocating saw and 6-amp-hour battery. Was $318, now $228, 28% off. Longer demolition sessions benefit from pairing a brushless V20 reciprocating saw with a larger capacity battery. Variable speed helps across wood, pruning, and rough cutting tasks, while cordless freedom keeps movement simple. Finally, just cut it out becomes genuinely productive advice. Number 6. CRAFTSMAN 6-amp variable speed jigsaw. Was $99, now $69, 30% off. Curves, bevels, and detailed cuts are the specialty of this variable speed CRAFTSMAN jigsaw. For orbital settings and a beveling shoe give you flexibility across different materials and cut styles. It's the tool for projects that stubbornly refuse to contain only straight lines. Lowe's tool storage, mechanics sets, and power accessories deals. Number 5. Kobalt 46.1-inch rolling 9-drawer workbench. Was $498, now $398, 20% off. Garage organization gets serious with this rolling Kobalt workbench, 9 soft-close drawers, and a solid wood top. A built-in power strip, heavy-duty casters, drawer liners, and keyed storage make it a practical work center. The mystery pile of tools may finally receive an eviction notice. Number 4. CRAFTSMAN 2000 Series 52-inch 10-drawer rolling tool cabinet. Was $599, now $449, 25% off. A crowded shop can breathe easier with this wide CRAFTSMAN rolling cabinet and its 10 soft-close drawers. Heavy-duty steel construction, locking storage, drawer liners, and high-capacity casters handle a substantial tool collection. Buying it does remove one classic excuse for losing the 10mm socket. Number 3. CRAFTSMAN 2000 Series 52-inch 8-drawer steel tool chest. Was $465, now $349, 25% off. Benchtop storage gets a major upgrade with this 8-drawer CRAFTSMAN chest and its full extension soft-close slides. A built-in power strip, gas-supported lid, locking system, and pegboard-ready back add useful workshop flexibility. Chaos is still allowed, just preferably somewhere else. Number 2. Kobalt 302-piece mechanics tool set with hard case. Was $149, now $99, 34% off. One case covers a huge range of garage repairs with this 302-piece Kobalt mechanics set. Multiple drive sizes, ratchets, sockets, wrenches, bits, and hex keys stay organized in a portable hard case. Finding the right socket should no longer qualify as a separate repair job. Number 1. CRAFTSMAN V20 20-volt 5-amp-hour lithium-ion battery kit. Was $149, now $99, 34% off. Extra runtime is the simple reason this higher capacity V20 battery deserves attention. Its 5 amp-hour capacity suits longer jobs, while the 3 LED gauge makes remaining charge easy to check before starting another task. Because nothing improves productivity like discovering your battery is empty halfway through. That wraps up our 31 Lowe's early Labor Day tool deals. If this countdown helped you spot something useful, subscribe to Valid Consumer for more picked deals, practical buying advice, and no-nonsense product coverage. Thanks for watching and shop smart!